Mr. Chairman, if I may, just to
Yes,
follow
Senator
up.
Villanueva.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Just to follow up on what you mentioned a while ago, Mr. Chairman, and I thank you for walking the extra mile in looking at the particular items that this so-called witness made mention during the House hearings, Mr. Chairman. Meron po ako ditong 2023 GAA, Mr. Chairman. 2023 GAA. Sabi po niya doon sa hearing, Mr. Chairman, nasa GAA daw po. He was under oath when he said it. Binasa ko po lahat to, Mr. Chairman. Actually, nagpunta pa ho ako sa 2024 tsaka 2022.
Actually, he mentioned 2023, hindi ba?
Opo, tama po kayo, Mr. Chairman. So, mamaya habang break po tayo, at I will not, I wanted to appeal sana to my dear colleagues if I can ask questions dahil grabe ho yung ginawa sa atin. Pero, Mr.
Meron ka
Chairman,
naman dito kasi last kang dumating. So you're number 13 after Senator Gatchalian, Senator De La Rosa, and then ikaw na.
Opo,
So after
Mr.
lunch,
Chairman.
after our lunch
Yes.
break, you can have your time.
Mr. Chairman, just to point out,
Senator, go pa
Mr.
pala.
Chairman, just to point out po, Mr. Chairman, few seconds lang. Mr. Chairman, ito yung 2023. Pwede ho ba ibigay natin kay Bryce ngayon, Mr. Chairman? Hanapin niya po dito yung sinasabi niya doon sa House na nandito yung binabanggit niya na may flood control project si Joel Villanueva. If we can, Mr. Chairman, that's
Yeah,
okay.
but later, we'll leave you your time, your 5 minutes.
Thank you.
After the break. Senator, ikaw pa, no?
Yes, thank you.
You have